which classic 911s Mr. Grainger would consider to be a prudent investment? Entry-level 997.2s are still somewhat unattainable, but are there any variations from the air-cooled era which are overlooked, undervalued currently, in your opinion?
Okay, you have asked me a question about the only make of car I know virtually nothing about. I know this is horrible, and there's all kinds of people going to say negative things to me, but I've never liked Porsches. And it was probably early days because I had a Fiat X19 and I used to race 914s and they always kicked my ass. But yeah, I've just never cottoned on to them. I always thought that their designers were amongst the laziest in the world. Like, they changed the ashtray and it was a new model. So I'm not qualified to answer that question.
In your view, what's just your least favorite car, period?
Well, it would be the Scirocco, but if it's classic and antique cars, I think, you know what, off the top of my head, I would say a 57 Chevy. Not that I dislike them, it's just that they're sort of so overdone, and I prefer 57 Fords.
Okay. This person, Allison Smith, would like a Dave filter on Snapchat. Do you know what that is, Dave?
The Snapchat?
No, the filter.
Oh, no, I have no idea. I have no filters.
A filter would be that it would allow people to take pictures of themselves, selfies, and then morph it into a picture of them and you together.
Side by side?
No, you would be
an overlay?
Combined, yeah.
Oh, I don't even look in the mirror at myself. So, no, hadn't thought of that, and that's just weird.
Yeah, I told you not all of these were going to be great.